car. That was a tiny one.
That wasn't tiny, that was massive. I don't even think my phone caught it.
Why are there so many cars?
I don't know. Are they trying to get struck or something?
I'm sorry, the thunderstorm. Stop driving.
Oh! That was big. That was big.
I think I'm getting too excited about this.
Same.
Are we fucking...
I think so, like,
Thunderstorm.
I have a weird thing to admit.
What?
When I get really excited, I pee myself.
Oh, please don't.
It's either that, or I've been holding it in for like a few hours. So yeah. Well, whenever I'm really excited about something, I talk about it so much.
Another one?
Another one
I
bites
feel
the
like
dust.
over your side is better.
Just kidding. I've been recording for slightly longer than you. Oh!
Ooh.
I better have called that. That was massive. Do you think Roy's room would be better?
We'll try. Okay. Yes.
We can't though. And we are back, shoving our phones into a window.
Oh my god, you can see the reflection of the lamp.
I know.
And it looks like there's a lamp outside.
There's a lamp
That's
outside.
actually so cool. Why does that lamp look cool?
I don't know.
Hello.
Oh, I got that. That was a good one. I am gonna have such a good YouTube video. You even know I'm low-key shitting myself.
I'm not going to have a YouTube video. I'm probably just going to send this to my friends and be like, ooh, look what I did.
Make a YouTube video or your channel. Oh, that was big. That is good. What was that noise?
My throat is broken.
If anyone watching this video knows...
You left your Coke by the window.
No.
I can see it.
Oh, I did. I'm sorry, Coke. I'll be back. I promise. I promise I'll be back. I will be back. But don't tell the Coke.
Why can I see the reflection of that still?
I don't know.
Oh, well, it's in the yolk.
It's a glitch. Are you okay?
No.
So I think the reality is we're not getting any more. Never mind.
Oh my god, I saw the strike.
I
saw the strike.
I think I spoke too soon.
That's the first one we've seen in a while.
Okay, YouTubers, I'm a jinxer.
YouTubers.
Shut up, I keep making the mistake.
Did they have channels as well?
What's that noise? Is that you?
Oh yeah.
Don't fucking scare me like
I
that.
sat in the box.
You know I meant that I called my viewers on my second original channel YouTubers. So they could be YouTubers.
Yeah, but you don't know that.
I know, but I'm just guessing.
There's a woman on the window.
Why are you holding it?
I'm gonna cut off her ponytail.
Oh, hell no. Birdies, can I take you to my room so you can comfort
We
me?
all have bowl cups. I think I'm high.
Yeah, you are very...
You do.
Oh!
I saw like a little, like, God!
What the heck?
God is in the air.
Guys, not YouTubers, maybe YouTubers, I don't care. This woman here is high.
I know.
FYI. You okay?
No.
Why are you touching her feet?
She's...
Do you have a foot fetish?
No. She's just on the window. She's chilling. Like Tia's chilling.
I think you have a foot fetish.
No.
You have a foot
This
fetish.
stuff's fine. But seriously, what kind of haircut do birds technically have?
They don't have a haircut at all. They just have a normal, overgrown, bushy
Do they
hair.
have a wig? Or just a
No.
massive beard?
Well, pretty much their feathers are like hairs.
Also, dogs and pets. What, like, do they have, like, do they have, like,
The breed is the haircuts, pretty much. Like a poodle has a weird haircut.
I know, it's like people, like, some people have curly hair and some dogs have curly hair and some people have straight hair and some
That's
dogs
like a
have straight hair.
stereotype in itself. Yeah, I
I
don't
know,
think we're
but-
getting any more lightning, and I'm probably gonna see a massive one any second now because I jinx myself too much.
Well, I'm gonna probably stop at 6 minutes.
Same. Come on, there's gotta be something. Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you, Mother Nature. Shit,
there's no
I'm
more.
gonna have to edit this. Oh wait, no, I'm talking. Yee. Whenever I talk in my videos, I don't have to add any editing. I just have to put the two videos together, and I'm just like, thank God. Because editing takes like a solid half an hour to like an hour. Should I just keep jinxing it?
Yeah.
Mother Nature, give us more.
No, then she's not gonna give us any.
Oh yeah, she probably won't give us any.
There's no more. There's not gonna be any more.
I doubt
In
it.
in like a few seconds. You know what I'm gonna end it when you edit.
Yeah, I genuinely have to actually like end this in a few seconds. So, anything else to offer us, Mother Nature? Anything at all?
We don't have much time left. Hurry up.
We'll have all the time I need, but still, I kind of want to... There we
That
go.
is
Thank you.
perfect.
Goodbye, guys.